In this video, we will guide you through how to center the text on a cover page in Word. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, place your cursor next to the text. At the top of Word, click on Home, then go to the Paragraph section and click the Center button. Next, go to the top of Word again and click on Layout. Find Page Setup and click on the Expand button in the bottom right of this section. In the Layout tab, under Page and Vertical Alignment, select Center. Make sure your whole document is selected. Then click OK. Now your cover page text is centered. To revert to normal alignment for the rest of your document, go to Layout and Page Setup again and click the Expand button in the bottom right. Change the vertical alignment back to top and set Apply to this point forward. Press OK. This will create a new page where you can continue typing your document.